FabLab Network. Congratulations again for mounting another very significant event. So I'll just be sharing to you what we've been doing, particularly about the Makerspace Management Academy, which I think will be, it actually provides us, it provides a tangible and output for and strengthening the existence, of course, of the FabLab network. And I think this is the contribution of the PTTC. This was developed, of course, along with all the different partners. Finally, we're about to launch this. And I think this is something that will be of benefit, especially to the FabLab members and eventually those MSMEs that are actually accessing the services of FabLab Philippines. So FabLab laboratories, by their reason of existence, are paving way for creative minds to realize ideas and designs to actual prototypes and products. They are considered catalysts of technology and innovation that maneuver the Philippines' overall innovation ecosystem. Today, we launched a joint effort that celebrates the partnership of the US and the Philippines to further elevate this effort to another level. Through the United States Agency for International Development, or USAID, and its Science, Technology, Research, and Innovation for Development, or STRIDE program, the establishment of the Fab Labs Philippines was made possible last December 2020, and with the intention of helping the member Fab Lab institutions to have a jump start in managing their facilities. A partnership was made with the Philippine Trade Training Center Global MSME Academy, USAID STRIDE, PTTC GMEA, and the initial technical working group of the Fab Lab PH Network is happy to bring you the Makerspace Management Academy. This is a training program for Fab Lab managers, operators, and teams. So one thing or one activity that you will look forward to. Makerspace Management Academy aims to improve the competency of Fab Lab personnel to fulfill their roles in the Fab Lab on the areas of prototyping, designing, product development, patent registration, research, and even management of facilities. The program is tailor-fitted to address the gaps and concerns aired out by participating Fab Labs in previous sessions and focus group discussions such as last year's formed program. With PTTC GMEA, we bring in the training development aspect that we specialize through our ADI framework. ADI meaning analysis, training design development, module development, implementation, and monitoring or assessment. It has been our vision to help the Fab Labs not just exist as a facility, but rather also to be an enterprise and to provide sustainable opportunities on our Fab Lab operation. In mapping the curriculum, intended to help Fab Labs to manage their facilities effectively, these are the three aspects considered: technology, people, and business. The curriculum for the MMA is divided into three: the fundamentals, advanced, and specialized, and aligning it with the Department of Trade's enterprise development training track. The manner of implementing these training pathways will be fundamentals for 2021, then graduates of this year will be in advanced for 2022, and another batch of fundamentals will be conducted. And by the end of 2023, we have graduates of Makerspace Management Academy and all pathways being implemented simultaneously. For this year, PTTC GMEA and USAID have co-developed the program with USAID STRIDE, funding the conduct of the training programs. The overall curriculum is based on the project management knowledge areas with a little bit of tweaking to address concerns in the Fab Lab operations. Now, let us look at what to expect for this year's MMA. So the MMA fundamentals will take participating Fab Labs to their core and evaluate their steps moving forward. The pathways consist of integration and scheme or scope management, where consideration of targets and success measures will take place. Stakeholder management, where identification of key stakeholders and rating them will be taught. Human resource management, where understanding the role of each in the Fab Lab is considered, and time management, where programs and activities will be considered, and risk management, where understanding the pitfalls of operations will help each Fab Lab identify their targets and activities skillfully. Each of the training track will have a discussion and workshop feature that will amount to 12 hours and will be distributed to a number of weeks. This will mean that commitment to this training is needed from each participating Fab Lab. And if you notice, all the titles are actually preceded by Makerspace because we wanted to brand these courses as really for MMA. Now, in the pipeline, we have the following to expect from the advanced and specialized level. So as you can see, advanced, we have 4 courses, and for specialized, we have about 5 courses that our operators and everyone in the Fab Lab can actually look forward to and participate in. Now, for 2021, each of the member Fab Lab institution will be given 2 seats. So watch that out. 2 seats of training applicants for the Makerspace Management Academy Fundamentals 2021. And this marks the start of our role as the Fab Labs PH Secretariat. MMA is just one of the emerging programs of the Philippine Trade Training Center, Global MSME Academy, and other programs of our agency. We have the Payong app that helps MSMEs build their resiliency plan, self-learning modules that is open for all stakeholders, that Ascend program, and that's aligned with the DTI's BISMED's Enterprise Development Track, where we will be offering Ascend aspiring for Ascend for aspiring MSMEs, Ascend for domestic MSMEs, and Ascend for exporters. Those are actually pathway programs for MSMEs at different level. And yes, with this renewed enthusiasm on things ahead, we move as one with you, Fabrication Laboratories, in reaching the goal of having globally competitive leaders and managers of tomorrow. Thank you very much.